In this video, we are going to help you in rhythm A. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
To make the rhythm letter B. This consists in 4 touches with the feet on the floor, a clap in the leg, and 1 clap. Come on everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Guys, we are going to show you the dance C. First, move your left foot to the left and snap your fingers. Then,